have a headache, it's often from tension in the neck or tension in the body or tension in the mind. So sometimes moving away from whatever you're doing, get away from the computer screen, the television, step back a little bit from your job if you're at work. A quiet room can be helpful. Turning down the lights can be beneficial. Sometimes some very soft music can relax you. Acetaminophen or ibuprofen, which are over the counter, can be also very helpful with a headache. And if for some reason this is the very worst headache of your life, get that checked out by a physician or urgent care center, since sometimes there are more serious causes of headache. But in general, those over-the-counter measures, such as a warm cloth to the neck, gentle massage of that area, and those medications that are over-the-counter, ibuprofen and acetaminophen, Tylenol and Advil, for example, are extremely effective.